Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. In this video, I would like for you to click on the subscribe button that's down below so you can receive the next video that I record. In this video, it's going to be talking about how I create capture pages for my Cash Building System Unlimited, which is a postcard business that I do from home. I mail out postcards, and I'm glad to be a part of this business opportunity because it's a simple business, and all you have to do is mail out postcards to draw other people's attention or to gain more people into your postcard business. And once you start with this Cash Building System Unlimited, you are going to get 200 postcards and 200 leads that you can mail those postcards out to. But I make these videos because this is another way to advertise the Cash Building System Unlimited. So we're going to go ahead and well, I don't know if I introduced myself. It's still morning here in Dallas, Texas. I am Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And I would like to welcome all of you to my videos and thank you for watching my videos. Uh, and this is a capture page that I created through the marketing system that I use to promote the Cash Building System Unlimited. At the bottom of this video, once I finish and you are looking at this video, at the bottom of this video, it's going to take you to the marketing system that I use, and it's going to allow you to see how you can get started in creating your own pages. It doesn't matter if you're in the postcard business or are you in whatever business that you're into, that you're promoting, you can do it through this system and you can create your own capture pages such as this one. We're going to go over to the system that I use. Is called the Convergent Pros. At the bottom of this video, again, you will see a link that will bring you over to a sign up page where you can check it out for yourself and you can join for free today. And you have 14 days to decide if you want to keep this system or not. But I tell you, I've been using it for a few years now, and I just love it. I love this system because it has allowed me to create multiple pages to promote my business opportunity, such as Cash Building System Unlimited. And what you're going to do once you get here, you can watch the videos, but click on Getting Started right here. Click on this Getting Started, and it's going to take you to different videos that you can look at to learn how to promote any business with this marketing system. You're going to learn how to promote your business online. You're going to learn how to create capture pages. You're going to learn how to revise those capture pages. You're going to learn that inside of this business that you will have an autoresponder which have messages already created for you. And you can go in and revise them to say what you want them to say. Even the capture pages that you create, you can go here to build your capture pages, page builders, and you can go up here to create a capture page. And right here, you have different templates already laid out for you, even templates that you can put videos into, and you can create your own page. I always like to choose this one here because it's simple and you can, all of them are simple, but you can edit this. You got to give it a name right here. Give it a name where you can recognize what you are, what this page is all about. I'm gonna say capture. I'm just gonna leave that capture page right there. Capture page for you. That's the name I give it, and right here, that's the title I give it. But right here, you have to give it a unique name. You cannot have spaces in there, commas, or any kind of hyphens or anything like that. You have to. It has to be one word, and that's a unique name for your page. Let's just put here capture page, and you have to go down to save it, save lender, and it saved it. So this page is created. You go back over here, click on page builder, and right here is where you will see that the page is created. See right there, my page name is capture page, and the title where you know what it's about is capture page for you, just like I put it in. And from here you can go back and edit it right here, but you can go back over to the page. Once you just go over there and view it, you can go back to the browser where your page is already open, and you can edit it. Up here you can say what you wanted to say. You can put your cursor over here. You put your cursor on anything that you want to rewrite, and then you click edit, and right here you just start typing. And then you can click stop editing, and you can put a style on it. Right here you click style, and right here it's already on text. You can make it bigger, the size. You can make it bigger or smaller. Whatever you want to put there is what you can do. If you want to put about your business, about products that you're selling, or whatever, you can put it inside of here. And then you can put a shadow on it, a text shadow on it, a shadow, and like that, like so. And right here you can offset it. Right here you can spread the shadow. And you stop, but you have to save it. You have to save your work. Save lender. Okay, if you've done that, anything that you don't want, you can go over and you can click delete. And then yes, I want to delete. Delete. Yes, I want to delete. Just showing you how you can create your own capture page. And I said this, I'm working on capture pages for my Cash Building System Unlimited. You can right here you can click edit components if you want to add something else in there. Even if you wanted to put a video in there, you can go over here and just click on that, and you can drag it over here and put it where you want to put it. It's kind of stubborn right now. Okay, drag it over here and put it in there, and you can go to YouTube, and you can just choose a video that you have created. These are my pages, videos that I've already created. I'm going to choose one. Just choose this one right here. Hello, everyone. And I can go and click share. This in any video you want to put in there. Click share. Then I go back to my editing page. I put that video sign over there. That's you can use Vimeo or YouTube, whatever you want to put in there, and then you click edit. Okay, you hovering over there with your mouse. You click edit, and then this is where your video, you will go right here, paste it. See that video I just put in there, and then you save it, and boom, it's right there. See, and right here you can edit this. You can edit, and you can choose this. This is your subscribers. Once they see your capture page, you can ask them for their name and email, or name, email, and phone number. But most of the time I just put name and email there, and then you save it. And where you want to send these people to, you want to send them to a page that you want them to see. They're going to put their name and email in there. I'm going to go back over here. and get another page, share, click copy, and you can put in there whatever you want them to see. And I'm gonna hover over right there and edit it again and put my capture page right there. Make sure you got that selected, one of these, whatever you want to see, receive from them, their name, email, or whatever, then save it. And okay, we always go down and save your page right here. And it's saved. And let's take a view of that page. Go back over here, page builder, and then this is the page, capture page for you. Let's get the link and then preview it right here. This is the way it's looking right here. See how it's looking? You can do this. You can do this. Just go at the bottom of this video and choose, just like I have, a page that you want to create. Choose the marketing system, the Conversion Pros, to start creating your page for your Cash Building System Unlimited postcard business, and you'll be advertising in more than just sending out postcards. At the bottom of this video, you're going to see this page right here. Put in your name, email address. It's going to take you over to a video that will further tell you how you can get started with the Conversion Pros, and how you can start for free and start even making money with the marketing system like I am. And so that when people see what you're doing, they'll join up for free, like you're going to join for free today, 14-day free trial. And then they will decide to keep it, and then you're getting paid even from the marketing system. Okay, my name is Marlon Carter. Click on the link below, bring you to this page, then it will take you to a video to explain how this all works. All right, we will talk to you on the next video. Have a wonderful day or night. Again, my postcard business, you are going to be down there too. You can go look at, if you haven't seen the Cash Building System Unlimited, you can go and look at the video on how to get started with it as well. You all be blessed. I am the Elder Marlon Carter, gospel preacher from Dallas, Texas, and have a wonderful, blessed day. We'll talk to you on the next video. Bye-bye now.